Tesla initiated an impermanent suspension underway of its nearly watched Model 3 battery electric car a month ago as a feature of an arranged downtime to take a shot at issues and enhance the assembling procedure. Bloomberg reports that the organization delayed generation from February 20 to February 24 at its get-together plant in Fremont, California, where it likewise makes the Model S vehicle and Model X SUV. Our Model 3 generation design incorporates times of arranged downtime in both Fremont and Gigafactory 1, a Tesla representative told the outlet, the last a reference to the Nevada plant where it makes batteries. These periods are utilized to enhance mechanization and deliberately deliver bottlenecks with a specific end goal to expand generation rates. This isn't unordinary and is uncertainty normal underway inclines this way. Tesla obviously has been in an extremely open battle to increase creation of the Model 3, its mass-advertised electric vehicle, having twice postponed its generation focuses in the midst of bottleneck issues at the Gigafactory specifically. The organization's latest target is to deliver 2,500 Model 3s every week before the finish of March, a large portion of the number it had before guaranteed, at that point 5,000 every week before the second's over quarter. Bloomberg's own following instrument appraises that Tesla has manufactured right around 9,700 Model 3s to date, a number that tracks reasonably intimately with numbers arranged by early reservation holders willfully revealing their doled-out van numbers. That is around 700 for Model 3s every week, proposing the organization may in any case be well behind target. Author and CEO Elon Musk stood out as truly newsworthy throughout the end of the week amid a sit-down meeting at SXSW in Austin, Texas, in which he discussed colonizing Mars and existential dangers to humankind, particularly counterfeit consciousness, however not, evidently, the Model 3 creation damnation.